So again, I have to go back to the tinnitus education piece for a moment to really start us out by saying tinnitus is a benign body sensation that the brain thinks is important to pay attention to, when in fact, it can very safely push it into the background. So it's important to set us up with that main definition. That's unchangeable. And so we have to understand how the brain behaves when it makes an error and thinks something is connected to fear or should be connected to fear, and how we help the brain to disengage from fear so that, again, the lens can open up and we can move on to more important things than tinnitus. I can also sound very easy breezy about tinnitus because it's very hard for me to get excited about a benign body sensation, but it is not lost on me that tinnitus is devastating for millions and millions of people, both in this country and across the world. So I'm going to really share with you 3 qualities to look for in any tinnitus treatment. And so whether whatever you find out there, it should fall into 1, 2, and hopefully all 3 areas.